Login loop error on Synchrony Bank Fix. If your Synchrony Bank app keeps looping every time you try to log in, you enter your credentials, it loads and then sends you right back to the login screen. Don't worry. This issue is common, and most people don't realize the fix is simpler than it seems. Here's the surprising truth: login loops usually aren't caused by wrong passwords. Instead, they happen because of corrupted app data, old cookies, or connection mismatches between your phone and Synchrony servers. First, completely close the Synchrony app. Don't just minimize it. Then, go to your phone settings, open apps, select Synchrony Bank, and tap storage. Clear both the cache and the app data. This removes old session information that could be forcing your app to reload continuously. Next, reopen the app, but this time don't use autofill or saved passwords. Type your credentials manually. If you normally use biometric login like Face, It, or fingerprint, turn that off temporarily until you can sign in successfully once. Still stuck in a loop? Check your phone's time and date settings. Make sure Tire is set to automatic. Synchrony uses time-based encryption for secure logins, so even a slight time mismatch can cause a failed login attempt. Also, disable any PHIN or proxy connections while signing in. Synchrony's system sometimes flags these as suspicious, which can interrupt your login session and force the app to reload. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the app from your device's app store. This ensures you're using the latest version with recent bug fixes and compatibility updates. Once you're logged in successfully, you can safely turn back on biometric login or two-factor authentication for faster, safer access. So, if your Synchrony Bank app keeps looping, remember it's not your password that's the problem. Clear your cache, check your settings, and update your app. In just a few minutes, you'll be back in full control of your account.